Again, that was Friday, was a busy day in the park. The city staff were cleaning, the crews were finishing, and we were getting things installed. So these plaques, if you could, and these, we're not going to reuse them, so you can tear them however you like. And they are just lovely. The posts were donated by a company called Forge 53 that are local boys, my son's age, that made the stands. And then another local company, Cowan Graphics. This is a new process that they're doing. So it's a very thin metal that will be last a long time and is known to survive quite well in the Florida sun, which today we've got lots of sunlight. So thank you, ladies, and thanks to everybody at the Dutch Club. On Thursday or Wednesday, because of the South Alberta Light Horse, and we thought this would be most appropriate. This is your park, and we want to thank you for letting us come in. So I'd like to call upon Lieutenant Troy Steele, Lieutenant Colonel Troy Steele, and RMSLF, RSM, LF, Stephen Sticks Gallard, to do the official unveiling. And before you do that, this little piece of cloth, the Dutch, so as I'm picking up the statue, I'm taking it over to Edmonton Granite. There's a group in the boardroom at the Dutch Club sewing this piece together to make sure it's all ready. So I've never unveiled a statue. I don't know how we're going to do this properly, but Edmonton, I'd like you to give a round of applause and welcome Anne Frank. Wow. It's a bit emotional. So in Utrecht, this statue is in a place called the Janse Kerkhof, and every week there's a flower market there. And if you take a look at pictures, and when you look at the educational sign, you'll see one. So they put flowers by it. And so we thought we would need to start it up here, a new tradition here in Edmonton. So at this point, I'd like to call upon my wife, Avery, my lovely aunt, Florence, and Marlies Brown to come up and lay the first flowers. Come on up, girls. Marlies is a great family friend. She and her husband, Hans, are here immigrated from Germany. Florence and her husband Jim lived in Canmore, and they were longtime members of the Legion down there. And Avery, she puts up with me. And there you go. Time. So we've flew over 200 tulips, and we'd like everybody to have an opportunity.